Hey everyone, we're back. So today I am going to do my follow-up to the unboxing that I did on this ORDRO AC3 4K HDR camcorder. If you've guys seen the unboxing previously here in my channel, um, and you saw the sample videos, you will know why I am going to be returning this video camera. So when I've had a lot of issues with this, and like just the unboxing itself, I had to reshoot it because the brand new SanDisk memory or SD card that I was using for the for my EM1 mirrorless camera, when I put it in here and then reformatted it to make sure that it would be compatible, it wouldn't record. It would stop recording and I would get a memory card issue. That was number one. Oh, actually number one was, as you guys seen in the unboxing, the microphone, the external mic wasn't fully sealed or closed out of the box. So I mean, it looked like almost like it got dropped or broken, but the mic did work. In ORDRO's defense, the mic did work, but it wasn't charged, so I had to charge it first. Now comes the big part, number three. The real big issue is 4K recording or even 1080p recording. Looking at it through the viewfinder, the 3.1-inch viewfinder on this camera, it looked pretty good. It looked pretty clear from what I could see. But once I transferred those video files onto my computer and watched it on my 4K TV, my Sony Bravia A1 OLED. If you guys haven't seen that, it's in here in the channel, shameless plug. But once I plugged it into my computer and saw it on my 4K TV, it looks pixelated. I don't know how pixelated it's gonna look on you guys' where you guys are watching it at, if it's on a smartphone or on your PC monitor or on your TV. But on my TV, those images looked really pixelated, and there was no way I can fix it. I tried to download the app, and the app wasn't working good. And I was gonna see if they had a firmware update on Yee's website, or I'm sorry, on ORDRO's website, but they didn't, and I didn't want to bother trying to contact customer support or everything, because on Yee's website, if you go to the camera, the Yee mirrorless camera, and go to like on the top where it says support, it'll say firmware updates and everything. This one didn't have anything like that on ORDRO's website, and I couldn't just that, from the microphone, external microphone issue, and out of the box, the recording in 4K and 1080, how it looked all pixelated once it's blown up onto a 4K monitor or a big screen TV like on my 55-inch monitor, is why I'm returning this. The camera has a very good built-in mic in their defense, and the external mic, even though it looked like it broke, the external mic sounded pretty good. As far as if you guys saw the video samples at the end of the unboxing, and if you guys saw the video samples at the end of the unboxing compared to right now with my Note 9 and also the EM1 mirrorless, it's not up to scratch. It's not up to snuff. So Mr. Simon Yam, I am sorry. You hurt me. You hurt me, Mr. Simon Yam. Smart Image, I believe. ORDRO, I'm sorry, Mr. Simon Yam. I do not believe. I don't believe. It's not CGI, folks. It's the quality of those videos that I recorded, the samples, was not very good. So that's why it's getting returned. And I wanted to believe, and I wanted to really like this camera and keep it, because there were so many accessories that came with it. That external mic, like I was saying, it had lens covers, it had a holder, It had the extra wide lens that it came with, two batteries, the charger, HDMI cable, on and on. It had all these so many wonderful accessories, but all of those accessories are pointless and useless if the camera's video recording quality is not very good in the first place. Maybe it's just mine, but I don't want to take a chance on ordering another one and then the same thing happens, because every time I return a product on Amazon, it is a pain in the butt for me because number one, I don't have a printer, so I have to print it out through either I have to go to like FedEx and print them out, and that costs me money and time. And then sometimes Amazon will have the like they can email me a barcode that I can take to an Amazon or to a FedEx, or not FedEx, UPS, UPS what is that? UPS, a UPS store to return this. But the way my hours and the way my work hours is very inconvenient because the UPS stores close pretty early for where I'm at, and the drop boxes, the 24-hour drop boxes, are very far away, and to get that barcode, or the what is it, the QR code scan to get the return label so that UPS can print it themselves, that's very inconvenient for UPS to come over to my house and pick it up and print out the return label is also inconvenient because they do not come at the times where I'm at home. So it's just a big pain in the butt to return things through Amazon, as in my end. It costs me money or time, and that's something I have very little of, money and time. So yeah, this is going back. I really wanted to like it. I really wanted to believe Mr. Simon Yam, but I'm sorry, I can't. The images and the videos speak for themselves. I really wanted to believe, like I said, you fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Fool me thrice, it's not very nice. It's not going to happen. So from the Andor that I had to return, and now this, I don't know. I'm not having very good faith or belief on these Chinese 4K cameras. The Yi is also Chinese, but that's from an established company, Xiaoyi, and they have very good action cams that go up against the GoPro. But this one is still a fairly new company, I guess, and most of them are not even. They don't even have a website or a company, a way to get a hold or to contact their customer support. So yeah, so this is getting returned, and I guess it's back to the drawing board. I'm just gonna stick with my Yi M1 mirrorless camera and my Note 9 that's recording right now, and then who knows, my Sony maybe, 1080p camcorder. So that is it. This is in 4K, by the way. Yeah, that's right, 4K in all its glory here on the Note 9. So that's it. Again, the video quality, at least on this one, is not very good, and I'm not going to take a chance on trying to order another one. I thought that out of all of them, this would be the best one out of all the 4K Chinese cameras or camcorders, because it did have a Sony sensor, and the pictures did look, the video looked better than the Andor that I unboxed previously. But again, the Andor, I couldn't even like upload it to my or transfer it to my computer, because there would be no files once I tried to transfer it onto my computer, because it didn't come with mini USB cable. So I couldn't transfer files off of the Andor, and they would get erased once I tried to transfer those. And this one, at least, it had different ways to try to transfer files. Again, the video files on this ORDRO, if you've seen the unboxing, the video samples, they look very pixelated, and there was no way I could fix it. Maybe through a firmware update, maybe, but there were no firmware, any firmwares on ORDRO's website for me to download and then try to, install onto the camera. So again, this is going back. I don't believe anymore in these Chinese 4K cameras. I mean, for the price $259, I thought I was getting a steal, but actually the steal was going on me. I was getting stolen, or yeah, they if I kept this, they would have been stealing from me, because I don't know how even like the warranty on this. You can't even register it, and so you can get a warranty and everything like that. And so that gives me very little faith. I know it's only 259, but that is 259 that I could use for other things, you know. So like new lenses for the Yi M1 mirrorless camera. So again, I wanted to believe Mr. Simon Yam, but I can't. This is going back. So that is it, folks. If you found this video helpful to you in your purchasing decisions, please subscribe and help out my channel to grow, and I can make more and better videos. I thought this was going to be the one to do it, but it's not. Anyways, everybody take care. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon for more videos.